Hi everyone! Today I made this beautiful, simple and really easy Kirigami paper flower. If you want to see more craft videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you always get notified when I post a new video. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Kirigami flower, then keep watching! To make this beautiful Kirigami flower craft, you'll need paper, 2 different colors to be exact, scissors and some PVA glue. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to get 1 square piece of paper. Now we have a square piece of paper. Let's do this to the blue paper. Now we have 2 pieces of square paper. Break this piece of paper into 4 bits. Do this for the blue as well. Now we have lots of pieces, but we only need 1 pink and 1 blue. Alright, now we need to take one of the pieces and then fold it in half like this, and then in half again, cut this bit out like it's a fish, like this. Now we need to cut here and here like this. Now you are left with 3 different flaps on both sides. Now just open it up It looks like this now. We are now left with a beautiful 4-pointed star. Now take your glue and put it in the middle. Don't put too much. Now we have a small dollop of glue. Now all we have to do is take the second flap like this and put it in the middle. Put something on top of this so that it stays. Leave it for a few seconds. Now all we need to do is do it for the rest. It's looking super pretty. Now I'm going to add the same cuts to the blue piece of paper. Now I have finished making the cuts. Open it up now. Now let's glue the beautiful pink flower on top of the blue piece of paper, like this, so that the point goes here where there's nothing. I am going to put glue here, 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 and here. Now, I'm just going to take the second flap from this blue piece of paper and I'm just going to put it on this glue, like this. Keep it there for a few seconds and then do the same for the rest. Now that I have glued all of these points together, I'm going to wait for it to dry. For finishing touches, I'm going to add this small silver piece of foam. Now I have finished making my Kirigami flower. It's super easy, so you can try it at home. You only really need 3 things, so try it today. Make something fabulous. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, Bye!